Welcome to Purity Wellness Club. We are pleased to announce our new online booking system. Now, you don't need to download any app to access our new system, and you will be able to access the system either using a mobile phone or a computer. We will first show you how to set up the system using a mobile phone. We will demonstrate using an Android phone, but the steps are similar for an iPhone. Open a browser on your mobile. Here we are using Google Chrome. Type in the following web address to go to our booking system. Now I'm going to show you how to create a permanent link on your home screen so that you don't have to key in the web address every time. Tap on the three little dots on the top right corner of the screen and then click Add to Home Screen. You can change the name of the link to Purity Wellness Club and then click Add. On your home screen, you will see a permanent link to our booking system. Click on it to open the system. Now we are going to show you how to create a new account. Go to Menu, Log in, and Sign up. Enter your name that can be recognized by us so that we can allocate the correct passes to your account. Then enter your email address and phone number. Create a password and retype the password again to confirm. Agree to the terms and conditions and then press Sign up with email. Once you log in, you will be directed to your account page. Go to Menu, then Schedule. You are able to book up to 10 classes at a time and up to 7 days in advance. Choose a class that you wish to book and then click into that class. If you are booking a class without a valid pass, your booking may be rejected. However, if you wish to try out new classes, then please leave a note in your booking so we know. When you make a reservation for the first time, you will need to agree to the privacy policy. Then click Book Now. Now your request for booking has been received. To check the status of your booking, simply go to Menu, My Account. You will be able to see that your booking status is Appointment awaiting confirmation. We will process booking requests every day, so if spots are available, your request will come through within 24 hours. When you check back your booking status, simply go to Menu, My Account. When you see one of your passes has been attributed to your booking, then the booking is confirmed. In the class schedule, you will be able to see the number of spots left. The number of spots left is the total number of spots available and the number of spots for waitlisting. If you see only very few spots left, that means these spots may be waitlists. All waitlists will be processed within 24 hours of class commencement. Cancel a booking. You can cancel any of your bookings at least 24 hours before class commencement. Cancellation within 24 hours of class commencement will be deducted 1 pass or equivalent. To cancel a booking, simply go to My Account and then click on Cancel Booking alongside the booking you wish to cancel. Then your booking is cancelled. For any queries related to our online booking system, please contact us on our official phone number using WhatsApp. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Our online booking system is also available using a computer. Type in the following web address to go to our booking system. You can bookmark this address so then you don't need to key in the address every time. The screen is bigger and easy to use. The layout of the schedule is more friendly, and you will be able to see an overview of the schedule on a weekly basis. We hope you have enjoyed this short tutorial, and we wish to see you soon in the studio.